my girl song playing right now. Every single one of them. Hey guys, welcome to a new YouTube video. Not like a new YouTube video. You know what the big news is about? My first ever YouTube video. Can I get out of my pills, guys? So currently, as you can see, we moved from our previous house to a new house, and I know most people wonder what's happening right now. What's happening right now is just I'm doing my clothes, not like my actual clothes. I wear like out my clothes, like my house clothes you get, and I'm going to be arranging some of my books, my journal, my Wi-Fi box, and other stuff that I don't know what is in here anyways. Like my cosmetic, my deodorant, my like other acting clothes, because that's still there. So yeah. Anyways, I don't have anything to say yet. I think it's just like me recording myself doing the whole arrangement. So guys, let's get into the video. Currently, I'm about to arrange my book. Let's arrange together. I don't know. I'm so confused at this point because I don't even know where this are meant to be. I don't know where I'm supposed to like keep doing that. I'll be like, it's so perfect. I don't know if you get me what I'm saying. You guys like understand what I'm saying. So like all my books, like my 10th grade book. Okay, the bus is empty. I think I used this bus for something else actually. It was a gift from a classmate on his birthday. So I think I used this bus for something useful. In the laundry room actually. I think it's better there. Okay, I'm going to. I want you guys to see like every single thing I'm doing on dictate. Like I don't want to like make you guys feel left out anyway. So like I want to like move the phone to this angle because I feel you guys to see what I'm doing. Yeah. Yes. But if you want to see my face, if you see my face from here. I don't know, but anyways, these novels are for like Waek and Jam. So I'm going to like read every single one of them, like every single one of them, which I've not started. I know. I read something. I know. I've been busy with it. So anyways, I started this one. If I'm editing, I'll like type the name on below. But like this is the novels that I'm going to like read. So be here, and my notes be here. So like this is like my previous class notes. Oh my god, me. This is Ryan's mathematics notes. Sorry, Ryan. I'm looking for you when the school session starts or whatever. These are like my scripts, my past examination script actually. Assessments. I don't know what I'll use them for. I don't know what I'll use them for. So I'll just like keep them here. I'll keep them right here. Hey, this is my girl song playing right now. Look what they hot body can do. That's it. So fine, so my body so fine. Like what's happening against. So guys, I later went outside to go and like get something or like carry something inside, but currently I just finished arranging my books in the shelf, and right now I'm trying to we just like sit and mop the room because now I'm going to take my shower, then I'll get ready because I'm going to the office. But before I go, I'll show you guys because I didn't like fold my clothes. I don't want to like go through the stress of like folding my clothes and later bring my other clothes that I wear like out. I don't like pass the stress of like I'm using first badge, second badge. So, yeah. Anyways guys, I'm going to go off now. I'll come to you guys later. I just finished showering. I don't have like an actual clothes to wear because you know when I said the other time I said that my outfits like my outing clothes and because I wear like out aside from the house or indoor that's still in the previous house, so like I'm not like really packed them. So, like I just wore the same shorts that I was wearing, the same shorts with a different kind of a shirt that is like both for indoor and outdoor. So I just like wear the shirts. Well, for now, I'm just combing my hair. Yeah. But anyway, this is the view now. Put some things in it already. Because yeah, I already like put some things in it. This is the view. Yeah, this is the view. Yeah. Where this is my view. This is my space. That's my brother's space. Anyways, guys, wish me luck on my first video. I'm so excited. This is like my first time actually posting on YouTube. I'm feeling like edit it anyways. Talk to you guys when I record. I'm gonna like give an intro for this video because it's literally like a continuance of the old video, like day one or this day two. This day two, and sorry that I didn't like vlog the rest day in day one because I was so busy, like so busy. And at least day two in the night, like currently it's like 12 or I don't know, but like I'm about to take my shower and prepare for like bed, stuff like that. So yeah, and I already arranged my my cupboard and stuff like that, but I'll just like give you guys a review on it to like see how I like went over. Oh my gosh, I can't talk.
You are talking trash, so I don't want to waste my time with you.
Like to see how I arranged my closet and everything. But now I'll get back in the video when I'm done. Hey guys, I just finished taking my shower and yeah, oh my god, I look so white because I didn't rub any skincare whatever because I'm just going to bed. I'm not gonna stress myself with skincare and all of that. Guys, wait till I get a tripod. You guys should be patient with me. This is my first. Hi, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Bye. So anyways, as I was saying, push it to me so I get like a tripod because I need that tripod like really bad. I already like I'm going to like place order on it probably next 2 weeks when I see this video. Because when I get like post it on YouTube, you get. But now I don't know what I'm going to eat. I don't know if I should eat like if I should drink tea or I should eat swallow, which is black soup for the Nigerians or no black soup and eba. Sorry. This is where I arranged my so I later arranged it. Yeah, my bags, my t-shirts and stuff. That outfit is like a new outfit that you got. That's a union jean and union got. These are my glasses. Those are my glasses, my luxury glasses, like my other fancy glasses. But there's nothing here for now. These are like my dirty clothes that I'm gonna like put in the laundry anytime soon. These are my other jean, this house clothes, like clothes I wear like indoor, I can wear out. So like my lace underwear, tote bag, and socks. Yeah, socks. With my training outfits too. Going over here. Okay, yeah, this is like a full OTD of what I'm wearing, guys. I'm wearing t-shirts with shorts. Why this is my laptop space. These are my cap. Yeah, these are like my cap. Those are my award and roll. I don't think I'm gonna like get like brown jean deodorant. I'm not like getting those ones that because the ones I have like pivot like my old deodorants they're like almost finished. Like I think I should just like get new ones. It's bursts and the better since it's like a new paradise. Anyways, this is my jar, my books, my notebook, another piece. Why this is another drawer? Like nice two books. Like I said in the one vlog I showed you guys the storybook and my like my exams. And these are my like my journal, pen, patch, my phone patch, my other phone, bandana, power bank. That is my phone. I think I plugged this. What is the shoe rack? Yeah, this is the shoe rack. This is my shoe. Yeah. I already showed you guys what I arranged, and I think that's all. I'll probably like wish you guys the theory. Or should I like just cut the vlog from here since I'm already done? Then I'll give you guys a tour. Probably I'll give you guys a tour after this video like it's being posted on my YouTube. I'll give you guys a tour, but like around the house. Why? It's just like my room for now. Like this is my room aesthetically for now. Probably like they'll add other things like pictures, like frame on the wall and stuff, and like we everywhere just like go up, down. And this is what is going on in the room. Nothing too much, nothing. Yeah. After I carry you guys along till like 12, like the next day. Like I'm so cold. If you guys I'm getting like really white because like the AC everywhere is literally so cold. Like to make tea I don't want to like drink or eat anything like very heavy. I want to like taste something really light. So I'm thinking of vlogging if I like maybe if I go with them for like shopping, for like the kitchen and all of that. I don't know. I just feel like I should vlog. What do you guys think? Should I vlog, or should I do like a shopping vlog for the kitchen and other like places in the house? I don't know. I'm still like thinking of it. I'm like very shy to like talk. Oh my god, there's bad lighting here. Like it's better I should like talk on YouTube and like do voiceover video on TikTok and just post it there. I like to like have to like communicate to you guys on YouTube. It's better. I don't know. I'll like make my decision and just like vlog if it comes to my mind. If I feel like, oh, I want to, I'll just like vlog it. That's if I even follow them for the chopping. If I don't, then it's. But probably I think I'll be the one to do the list. Okay. See, I use this plate. What's in this plate? And where's the bread? Okay, I'm back. This bread was literally like up all the way up here. Now it's down here. Now take 4 slices. I get like really feed up when I'm eating bread. I guess especially at like night or in the evening. Take one of these. Take this one. I don't know. People in Nigeria judge people like dipping in your bread in your tea. Oh, I don't care. I love dipping my bread into my tea. Anyways, I'll tell you guys when I'm done, finished. I want to turn the plates in the kitchen. Anyways, I think I'll call it today. There. I guess I need to change the 9 seconds like one gets. Bye guys. Make sure you do like, comment and subscribe, and tell me what you want to see next, if it's a shopping vlog or a tour around the house. That's if the house is like fully complete, guys. That's when you see the video. But I'm going to post this video like before those other vlogs. Anyways, tell me if you like love it and if I should do more of these vlogs. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, please.